Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by Kwakol.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making headlines in the markets today.
Britain's cut back on their shopping in February and consumer confidence levels tumbled this month as acceleration inflation cast a shadow over the world's fifth biggest economy, released data showed. The euro edged higher, but concerns about a potential slowdown of the economy kept it in a tight range, while the dollar weakened as investors priced in expected monetary tightening by the Federal Reserve. London-listed Petropavlovsk will miss a loan payment on Friday after Britain froze the assets of its main leader, Gazprom Bank, in the last set of sanctions following Russia's invasion of Ukraine. The dollar-yen pair made a minor downwards correction in the last session, dropping 0.2%. According to the RSI, we are in an overbought market. The last session saw the Bitcoin rise 0.8% against the dollar. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an overbought market. The gold-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The stochastic RSI's positive signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The last session saw the oil rise 0.4% against the dollar. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an overbought market. The US Dallas Fed Manufacturing Business Index will be released at 14:30 GMT. The US 3-month bill auction at 15:30 GMT. Finland's consumer confidence at 0500 GMT. Finland's industrial confidence will be released at 0500 GMT, Japan's jobs applicants ratio at 2350 GMT, and Japan's unemployment rate at 2350 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.